today we're back with another video on how to check your bearings. The bearings are on both sides of the drum, either side. So what you'll do, guys, you take your pry bar after you got your block on the ground, stick your pry bar in there, pry up and down on your drum. If your drum goes up and down, you get any kind of play in your drum, that means your bearings are bad, guys. And then you go on the other side, you do the same exact thing, same process. Put your block down, get a pry bar, up and down. You got any play, your bearings are bad. Another way to check to see if your bearings are bad, the side cover right here, that's on the end cap, on the floating side of your cutter head, you can take your pry bar. Of course, you have your block of wood. You set your block up on the hand, you can put it up under the shaft. You pry up and down on it. If you get any kind of movement right here on the shaft, you know that your bearings are bad. And that was a video on how to check your bearings. Stay tuned for the next one, guys.